It's Tuesday afternoon. I have a private welding lesson for 2. These guys are furniture makers. I'm going to gear their lesson towards welding square stock together, cutting it, fitting it up, and welding and finishing it for their furniture project. So just waiting for them to come and we'll get started. So Will and Viet are here, and they've done their first welding. What do you guys think?
It's awesome.
Yeah, and what'd you do? Let's see, you've got Viet weld right there.
Learned some tack welding.
Yeah.
Did some beads. It's awesome.
Cool stuff, huh?
Hell yeah.
They've got all kinds of ideas now. They can't wait to start building shit. Welding class over.
Hey!
Some picture frames,
And
shelves.
What did you guys do? What was the purpose of the squares again? You were making furniture, so you wanted to...
Yeah, we wanted to learn how to work with this square stock, make nice joints and angles. That way we can make frames for tables and
Legs.
furniture.
Legs, rails, handrails, stairway rails, cables going through them.
Yeah, they turned out great.
Thank you. Class was awesome.
Power racks,
Yeah.
fitness power racks.
And they put little flowers in these just for
the
something.
ladies.
For the ladies.
Yeah.
Thanks for having us in your class.
All right,
It was
man.
awesome.
You guys did awesome, man.
Thank you.
Good having you.
Cheers.